Lesson 2. The difference between artificial intelligence, AI, machine learning, ML, and deep learning, DL. In the previous lesson, we introduced the concept of artificial intelligence, AI, a field that has rapidly gained momentum in recent years. AI has become an integral part of our lives. However, despite the widespread use of the term, we often find it difficult to distinguish between the various concepts that fall under this broad umbrella. In this lesson, we will clarify in a simple and structured way the three most common terms: artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. We will also explain the difference between the broad and narrow definitions of AI. Artificial intelligence, AI, is a general term that describes the ability of the computer or the computerized system to mimic human intelligence, such as understanding languages, learning problem solving, and decision making. It is common to distinguish between two main definitions. Broad AI, artificial general intelligence, refers to systems that do not yet exist in full form, which would be capable of demonstrating human-level or even superhuman intelligence, developing independent reasoning, and performing a wide range of general and undefined tasks. This is a futuristic vision of fully autonomous system that can think, understand, and act like humans. Narrow AI, artificial narrow intelligence, refers to system designed to solve a single well-defined problem. Those systems specialize in performing a specific task at a very high level, but cannot handle other tasks without significant changes to the system. Examples include facial recognition systems or automated customer service chatbots. Machine learning, ML, is a subfield of artificial intelligence. In this domain, computers and software systems learn independently from examples and patterns without being explicitly programmed for every problem. Instead of providing the system with a fixed set of rules, we give it a large amount of data and examples, and the systems learn to identify patterns, draw conclusions, and improve its performance on its own. For example, when apps like Netflix or Spotify recommend new content, they use machine learning to learn our preferences based on past behavior, both ours and that of similar users, and those generate personalized recommendations. Deep learning, DL, is an advanced method within machine learning based on a mathematical model known as neural networks. This model is inspired by the structure of the human brain and is made up of multiple layers of artificial neurons. Each layer is capable of identifying and analyzing increasingly complex features in the data. Deep learning enables systems to successfully handle complex tasks such as facial recognition, automatic translation, medical image analysis, and voice recognition. A well-known example is facial recognition in smartphones, where the device quickly analyzes a large number of images, identifying unique facial features, and learn to recognize the user face accurately over time. Summary of key concepts: AI broad definition, futuristic system with general and diverse capabilities that do not yet exist. AI narrow definition, existing systems focus on solving one specific defined problem. Machine learning, ML, a field in which systems learn to recognize pattern and to make decisions based on examples of data. Deep learning, DL, an advanced type of machine learning based on multi-layer artificial neuron networks capable of analyzing and reasoning from highly complex data. Understanding the differences between those three concepts and between broad AI and narrow AI is essential for grasping how those systems operate in different organizations, how they influence our daily lives, and how we can make the best use of them. Later in this course, we will explore practical and effective ways to use each of those technologies.